back to my channel, or if this is your first time joining us, hello, my name's Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be a very late Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. So this is what's been going on with my Ipsy. I follow the tracking information, and it gets here, and then it's like, oh, the shipping label isn't specific enough, and they returned it to center. And it happened with this one, so they resent me another one. It also happened with my Glam Bag X, but they didn't have any more Glam Bag X's, so it refunded me. But I was really pissed because it was a Denona cream blush palette that I was going to get in there. I'm so disappointed. But yeah, so that's why it took so long for me to get this. And I'm like, I might as well just, you know, unbag it. So here is this month's bag, and it's for September. It's simple, but it's cute. I like that you got this. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first product is this Il Makiage Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Squad in Make Moves. Let's see here. So here is what it looks like, and really nice packaging. Okay, that's pretty. It's probably something that I won't wear or keep, but I will put it in for a giveaway for later. Okay, next is this full ritual. It just says Magnetic Balm. So it's, let me see what this says. It says 12M. What is, okay, so I wanted to pull up the information. So this is a full-size lip balm that retails for $23. And it says this magnetic balm provides hydration that leaves your lips feeling silky and glossy. So it's kind of like a nude color. So I was looking through my thing, and I'm like, oh, I was supposed to get the Ciate bronzer, so I messaged it. I'm like, hey, I'm missing this, but then I just realized that this was probably the substitution for the bronzer. But let me go back and give you some information about no, that was really the only other one. Okay, so next is this Clean Slate Gentle Cleansing Cream by One Kind. And so this is full size. It says this ultra gentle cream formula works its cleansing magic without stripping your skin or depleting its moisture levels. And this retails for $28. It says thoroughly removes dead skin and makeup without disturbing the skin's barrier. It doesn't foam because it doesn't need to. Okay. Did I say it retails for $28? All right. So next is this Clarity Brighten It 10% lactic acid solution. Gently exfoliate and brighten skin. Apply sparingly to clean skin with a cotton ball twice weekly in the evening only. A slight tingling sensation is to be expected after application. So I'm wondering if this is similar to like the Sunday Riley lactic acid treatment. So this is full size. It retails for $60. It says, don't let your dark marks and uneven skin tone get you down. Brighten up with this gentle exfoliating toner that enlists the help of alpha hydroxy acid to reduce your dark marks and discoloration for smoother and brighter looking skin that glows. So I'm definitely excited to try that. And lastly is, oh yeah, there's a huge hurricane going on here right now. I was supposed to work tonight, but they activated the hurricane emergency system, and I'm Team B, so Team B goes in after the hurricane. So yeah. Okay, and then next, or last I should say, is the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo Cream Blush and Highlighter. So this retails for $42. And it says, fall in love with this crush-worthy cream blush in a vibrant chili pepper red shade, paired with a luminous highlighter that works so perfectly together that you think they were brought together by Cupid's arrow. I don't know if I really want a red blush, and that highlighter might be too dark for me, so I'm not gonna swatch it. I'll probably keep it for a giveaway. But yeah, overall I think this was a pretty decent bag. I'm not super excited about this. I wasn't originally supposed to get it, but I'm excited about this cleanser, this toner. We'll have to see about the lip gloss. And yeah, so that is my Ipsy Plus bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.